Hi guys, it's me Rain and welcome back to YouTube channel. For today's video, we're talking about Hello Glow Blemish Miracle Set. Ano nga ba ang meron sa bagong-bagong skincare set ng Hello Glow? And dito sa video na to, papakita ko rin sa inyo ang Rosewater Soothing Gel. I'll be sharing with you guys my experience sa paggamit nito as well as my honest opinion. So if you guys are interested for today's video, just keep on watching. So this is the Hello Glow Blemish Miracle Set. Ganito yung itsura ng outer packaging niya. Maliit lang siyang box. And ganyan yung side niya. And then dito sa back, nakalagay yung instructions niya. And ito, nakalagay dito is, this product is cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, gluten-free, alcohol-free, and SLS-free. And then let me read the product claim. This Miracle 4-Step Skincare Set aids in banishing dryness, redness, and impurities, best for oily, acne-prone skin, and safe for all skin types. It also contains natural extracts such as Centella asiatica, liquorized root extracts, chamomile, rosemary leaf, and green tea extract for a smoother, clear, and blemish-free skin. This set contains 4 products and it is made in Korea, kaya guarantee na maganda talaga yung formulation ng set na to. Plus, it has AHA and BHA which can help for treating acne, unclogged pores, treating pigmentation, and skin exfoliator na din siya. The price of this set is 360 pesos only, so super affordable niya, knowing na may 4 na products na sa loob ng set na to. And madali lang siyang mahanap sa market because available to sa Watsons, SM Stores, Robinsons, Landmarks, Waltermart, and if you want to shop online, available din siya sa Shopee, Lazada, and sa mga Everbelen na authorized resellers. Bali, lalagay ko na lang sa baba sa description box yung link and kung saan pa sila available. This Hello Glow Blemish Miracle Set niya contains 4 products, and the first thing that we have in here is itong pang step 1, the Miracle Clear Skin Cleanser. Ayan siya guys. So, this product can revitalize, cleanse, and gently exfoliates our skin by putting a small amount of this cleanser over dampened face and neck. Rinse thoroughly with water and then use twice daily in the morning and at night time. After using this cleanser, the next one is this Hello Glow Miracle Pore Toner. Ayan siya. This is the step 2 guys sa paggamit ng set na to, and it can unclog pores and balance skin's pH level. So spread nyo lang tong toner na to across your face and neck using a cotton pad or a cotton, and then avoid the eye area. Just use it twice daily, day and night after cleansing. The third one naman is this Hello Glow Miracle Acne Corrector Serum. So this can brighten and renew your skin after cleansing and toning by applying a thin layer on pimple area 1 to 3 times daily or as needed to reduce inflammation and redness. Just gently pat it for better absorption. Lastly, we have here the Hello Glow Miracle Acne Calming Cream. So, ginagamit naman to para ma-diminish yung appearance of acne sa face natin by applying a pea-sized amount of acne cream on the affected pimple-prone area 1 to 3 times a day or as needed. So, that's the 4 products na meron ang Hello Glow Blemish Miracle Set. And since it's a set nga, it's supposed to be used all together. Marami kasing nagtatanong if kapag po ba gumamit ng set, pwede po ba na iba yung gamitin na cleanser, or iba po ba pwedeng gamitin na soap, or pwedeng skip na lang yung isang product. I always answer na pwede naman, but don't expect too much sa isang beauty product or isang skincare set na maging effective sa'yo ng as in effective talaga since hindi mo nga siya ginamit as a set. And kasi diba may iba yung routine, so kapag ginamitan nyo siya ng ibang products or nag-skip kayo ng isa, hindi nyo malalaman kung which one ba talaga yung effective and hindi. By the way guys, ayun nga, I don't recommend na mag-risk kayo and gumamit kayo ng ibang products kasabay ng isang skincare set. Pero dito sa Hello Glow Blemish Miracle Set, merong product ang Hello Glow na pwede nyong isabay dito if feeling nyo na-dry na yung face nyo. And this is the Rosewater. Ito siya guys, the Rosewater Soothing Gel. It's great to use, lalo na pag feeling nyo super talagang nag-dry na yung face nyo while using the set, since it's a hydrating moisturizer. And I'm using this twice a week lang kasi kapag everyday ko siya ginagamit, napansin ko kasi nung first week ng paggamit ko nitong set na to guys, ito yung ginagamit ko sa morning. Bali, ginagamit ko is yung cleanser, and then yung step 1, then yung step 2, yung toner. Tapos sa morning nga, ganun. And then ito na yung ina-apply ko itong Rosewater Soothing Gel. And then, sa gabi naman, ginagawa ko is itong step 1, step 2, step 3, and then step 4. Hindi ko na ginagamit itong Rosewater Soothing Gel. So, ginawa ko siya nung sunod-sunod na araw, siguro mga 4 days, and then, nagkaroon ako ng bumps sa forehead and konti dito sa may face. Sorry, ang bilis ko yata magsalita, guys. And ayun nga, since nagkaroon nga ako ng ganon sa face, tinigil ko siya. Ginawa ko, twice a week ko na lang siya ginagamit. And 3 weeks ko na ito ginagamit, guys. Lampas 3 weeks na, magpa 4 weeks na. And naging effective yung ginawa kong routine na ginagawa ko twice a week na lang. Bale, Monday, Thursday. Ganun na lang yung ginagawa ko. And ayun na, natanggal na yung mga bumps sa face ko. And ginamit ko din pala siya, guys, dito sa my arms ko. And super effective niya. Super mabilis din kasi talagang ma-dry itong arms and legs ko. Talagang kailangan gumagamit ako lagi ng lotion. Pero ito, super hydrating niya talaga. For almost 4 weeks na paggamit ko ng Hello Glow Blemish Miracle Set, my final thought is that super effective niya. Masasabi ko talaga na maganda ang set na to. Kasi based on my own experience, ayoko ng mga products talaga na kapag ginamit ko, nagkaka-purging. Though it's normal naman, pero dun ko kasi talaga nararamdaman na talagang matapang yung ginagamit ko na skincare products sa face ko. Napansin ko, guys, na talagang super nabawasan yung mga mild pigmentation ko sa face and talagang nakaka-prevent siya ng acne. Kasi nung nag-start ako, guys, na gumamit nito, meron ako acne dito, tsaka parang dito yata sa may forehead, pero parang mga 4 days lang sa continuous na paggamit ko nung Miracle Acne Calming Cream, talagang hindi na siya tumuloy sa paglaki and wala na, lumiit na siya. Super soft rin ngayon ng face ko and overall, talagang masasabi ko na I can highly recommend this product, lalo na sa may mga acne prone and sensitive skin dyan. Kasi guys, yung skin type ko nga pala is combination, so talagang sensitive siya and mabilis siyang ma-irritate sa mga iba't ibang klase ng skincare products. But dito sa set na to, masasabi ko talaga na safe siya gamitin, pwedeng-pwede lalo na sa may mga sensitive skin. And ang daming benefits na pwedeng makuha ng skin natin sa set na to from its active ingredients, and nag-improve talaga yung face ko, guys, dito sa set na to. So far, hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng breakouts, and kung napapansin nyo, meron ako dito sa may forehead ngayon, pero galing lang yan sa period ko kasi nagkaroon ako, and ganun kasi ako talaga monthly, so hindi siya dahil sa set na to kaya ako mayroon dyang parang pimple na kung napapansin nyo, hindi ko alam kung kita ninyo, guys. And guys, yung favorite ko pala sa set na to is the cleanser. Papakita ko sa inyo ulit, guys, itong cleanser na to and the Miracle Acne Calming Cream, yung step 1 and step 4, kasi talagang sobrang ganda ng formulation, lalo nitong dalawang to. Talagang super mild niya sa face, hindi wala siyang stingy effect kapag ginagamit siya, and ito naman talagang nakaka-dry up siya ng pimples. So, ayun guys, I highly recommend this set. And again, 360 pesos lang ang skincare product na to, so super affordable, afford na afford niya to. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this vlog helpful. Next time, ang vlog ko naman is yung Hello Glow Whitening Set nila. Check natin kung effective ba talaga siya. I-review ko siya. And for other product information, guys, just check the description box below and see you on my next one. Bye, guys!